In the year 1879, on March 14th, a little boy was born in the quiet city of Ulm, Germany. His name was Albert Einstein. But right from the beginning, Albert was different. He did not speak until he was almost 4 years old. His parents were worried. Neighbors whispered, "This child is slow. Maybe something is wrong with him." At school, things were no better. Teachers thought he was lazy. One teacher even said, "Albert will never amount to anything." But little Albert had a secret, a burning curiosity. He loved asking questions that nobody else even thought about. One day, his father gave him a simple gift, a small compass. Albert noticed how the needle always pointed north, no matter how he turned it. He was amazed. What is this invisible force that makes it move? That moment lit a fire in his heart, a desire to understand the hidden forces of nature. Years passed, but school still bored him. Teachers wanted memorization. Albert wanted imagination. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world." Despite his brilliance, Albert struggled. After graduating, he could not find a proper teaching job. No university wanted him. He ended up working at a patent office in Switzerland, checking other people's inventions. For many, it would have been the end of their dreams. But for Einstein, it was the beginning. Every night, after long hours at work, he would return to his small apartment and think about light, about space, about time. And in 1905, something miraculous happened. In that one single year, Einstein published 4 research papers, each one revolutionary. In one, he explained how tiny particles move, proving the existence of atoms. In another, he explained the photoelectric effect, which later became the foundation of modern electronics, and even won him the Nobel Prize. But the most famous was his special theory of relativity, the paper that gave the world the legendary equation E equal mc square. This single formula showed that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin. It changed the way humans understood the universe. The boy once mocked as stupid had become the brightest mind of the century. But Einstein was not just a scientist, he was a human being with a heart full of compassion. When Europe was shaken by wars, he stood for peace. He said, "Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding." Even when he had achieved worldwide fame, Einstein lived a simple life. He played the violin, loved sailing, and walked to work without socks. For him, life was not about luxury, it was about truth and beauty. Yet Einstein's greatest quality was humanity. When people called him a genius, he smiled and said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." Einstein's story is not just about science. It is about believing in yourself when the world doubts you. It is about turning curiosity into courage and courage into discovery. He once said, "Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value." On April 18, 1955, at the age of 76, Albert Einstein passed away, but his ideas, his words, his spirit still live on. He showed the world that imagination can reshape reality. Einstein's journey reminds us all, you do not need to be perfect in school. You do not need to have everything figured out early. What you need is passion, curiosity, and the courage to never give up. The boy who spoke late, the student who failed in class, became the man who changed the destiny of science. Albert Einstein, forever the genius of humanity.